Xiaomi has recently unveiled its latest flagship smartphone, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, designed in collaboration with Leica to provide a professional-grade photography experience. This device boasts cutting-edge features and specifications that cater to both photography enthusiasts and tech-savvy users. Display and design. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra features a 6.73-inch 2-core LTPO OLED display with a peak brightness of 3,200 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright outdoor conditions. The screen supports a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, NVIDIA HDR10+, and Dolby Vision, delivering smooth visuals and vibrant colors. The device is protected by Xiaomi Ceramic Glass 2.0, enhancing its durability. In terms of design, the 15 Ultra showcases a robust camera system enhanced by Leica, capturing high-quality photos across various conditions. The device is available in classic black, silver, or pine green, and white color options. Performance. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Ultra Edition chipset, offering enhanced performance and efficiency. It comes with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. The device also features a dual-channel vapor-liquid separation cooling system, ensuring sustained peak performance during intense usage. Camera system. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra equips a quad-camera Leica system, delivering professional-grade photography. It features a 50MP main camera with a 1-inch sensor, 14 EV dynamic range, and OIS, ensuring superior clarity and detail. The 50MP ultra-wide camera offers a 115 degrees field of view and supports 5 cm macro shots, making it ideal for landscape and close-up photography. The 50MP telephoto camera includes a 3x floating telephoto lens, supporting macro telephoto photography for capturing intricate details at a distance. The 200MP periscope telephoto camera utilizes a 1/1.4-inch HP9 sensor with 4.3x optical zoom, producing sharp and detailed zoomed-in shots. Battery and charging. The smartphone houses a 6000 mAh battery and supports 90W wired fast charging and 80W wireless fast charging. The device also enables reverse wireless charging, allowing users to charge accessories like earbuds on the go. Additional features. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is the first smartphone to support direct satellite data communication, enabling off-grid calls via Starlink and Tantong satellites with a 7 km two-way range. It also features an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, an infrared sensor, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Professional imaging kit. Additionally, Xiaomi has introduced a professional imaging kit, which includes a detachable shutter button, a metal grip, and an extra 2,000 mAh battery, extending the total battery capacity to 8,000 mAh. Pricing and availability. In China, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra starts at 6,499 yuan, approximately $893, for the 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage variant. The 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage model is priced at 6,999 yuan, approximately $961, while the 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage version costs 7,799 yuan, approximately $1,071. Xiaomi also offers a dual satellite version of the 16 GB 1 TB model for 7,999 yuan, approximately $1,099. The professional imaging kit accessory is available separately for 999 yuan, approximately $137. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is now available for pre-order in China, with official sales beginning on March 3rd. The global launch is set for March 2nd. Overall, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra stands out as a flagship smartphone with a strong emphasis on photography, offering a blend of advanced hardware and innovative features.